Yay! Ants! Babe, mag-draw si Angel, og.
This in this shade. Yay!
Go, you draw. Circle. Here. You circle. Oh! The eyes. The other one eyes. And the mouth. Mouth. And the hair. The hair. Hair. Yan ang hair. Hair. This one, the body. The body. Body. The arms. Arms. Ano yung arms? Arms. Arms. Ang feet. How about the feet? Feet. Taas sa feet, uy. Feet. Yay! The other one. Here. Here. You draw. Circle. Go. You're right. Eyes. The other one, eyes. And the mouth. Mouth. Ang hair. 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 6.
This one has no boys. That doesn't get all half as fast. Madam?
This one, 6.
Once the bell rings, the hungry boys and girls will all meld together.
6. This one, 6. You're right. Go. You're right. This one of 6.
Hey, come on.
6. Next. What's this?
7.
7.
There's something that I need you to do for me. I'm putting my faith in you.
It's 7.
It's 7 lagi.
1, 2, 4.
He's 181 centimeters.
Ikaw daw, babe?
He likes
Okay, you're right.
candy soda,
Go.
orange.
7.
And his shoe size?
7.
Big feet.
7, you're right. 7.
And he likes
Go.
to play basketball.
Ikaw ra.
If he's good at basketball, he must be super popular. Kinda, but not so much that you need to worry. What about his friends? Do you know if he has a girlfriend? I don't think so.
Manikusog imong kamot.
Always with, oh, no.
Then right na 7. Go. Ikaw lang.
And they walk